Hi everybody. If you want to open a Euro account in Wise, also known as a multi-currency account, this video will guide you through each step in a simple way. There is a link in the description that you can use to sign up for Wise. Signing up through that link is completely free, and it might also get you an exclusive free money transfer offer from Wise. Let's begin. First, go to wise.com or open the Wise app if you already have it installed. If you don't have a Wise account yet, click the link in the description and sign up. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and choose whether you're creating a personal or business account. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll be taken to the Wise home screen. From here, you'll see your main dashboard. Look for the button that says Open. It might also say Get Account Details or Add Currency. Click on that button. You'll now see a list of currencies you can open accounts in. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Euro. Once you find Euro, click on it. Wise will now prepare to open your Euro account. If this is your first time opening a balance with account details, Wise will ask you to complete some verification steps. These steps are required by law and only take a few minutes. You may be asked to upload a photo of your ID, like a passport or national ID card. You might also be asked to take a selfie to prove your identity. After your verification is complete, Wise will open your Euro account. You'll now be able to see your own Euro bank details. These details will include your IBAN, BIC, and the name on the account. These are the details you can use to receive Euro payments, just like with a local bank in the Eurozone. You can use this Euro account to receive money from friends, employers, or businesses in Europe. You can also hold money in euros and convert it to other currencies at Wise's low exchange rates. To add money to your Euro account, click on the Add button. Choose how much money you want to add and which currency you'll use to fund it. You can use a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer, depending on your location. After adding money, you can spend it using your Wise debit card if you have one. Or you can send euros to other bank accounts directly from the app or website. If you ever want to convert your euros to another currency, just click on Convert, choose the currency, and Wise will show you the exchange rate and fees before confirming the transfer. Your Euro account in Wise is now fully set up and ready to use. You can use it just like a local Euro bank account, but with lower fees and more flexibility. Remember, if you haven't signed up yet, use the link in the description to join Wise for free. That link might also get you a special free money transfer offer just for signing up.